Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power sources. Plug the known good charger into a different outlet and test with another device so you isolate the cord. Once done, disconnect any USB devices and peripherals so nothing draws power. Now press and hold the Chromebook power button for 10 to 20 seconds to clear transient faults. Make sure to visually inspect the charging port for lint or bent pins. Debris often prevents contact. These steps quickly rule out the simplest failures before deeper fixes. Next, you address internal controls. Perform a hard reset using the power button plus refresh key, or remove the internal battery if your model allows. This clears firmware glitches that block boot or charging. If the device still won't start, boot into recovery using ESC plus refresh plus power and follow prompts for a USB/SD restore. This targets corrupted system software that can appear as battery failure. Make sure to watch LED indicators and charging icons so you know whether the system Finally, you move into component testing and decision-making. Try a different compatible charger or a USB-C PD adapter to confirm the adapter versus battery problem. If charging still fails, open the chassis only if comfortable and check internal battery and connector seating. Loose cables or swollen batteries need replacement. Once replaced, confirm normal charging and boot. If you cannot isolate the fault or lack tools, contact the manufacturer or an authorized repair center for safe battery replacement and warranty service. This avoids
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.